recommendation from the opposition also.
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong announced in the Assembly that the government is exploring the creation of a new district within East Khasi Hills, potentially headquartered in Sohra. This proposal, aimed at improving administrative efficiency and community development, follows suggestion to form a separate district for Mausinram and additional development blocks.
We do have quite a number of more places which need the administration going down closer to the people. So, sir, let me again reiterate that the proposal for creation of Mausinram civil subdivision is being examined in detail by the government, and once the process is completed, once the examination is done, then I'll be in a position to tell the panel members and also the people of Mausinram area as well.